Uthuthuria wiigii kandarathi ya matharaita ma mbiraru no urathii na mbere guku andu makiria aria makuruhanitio na ngukumio no magitanywo guikio ngono.
We know there have been a lot of problems as far as corruption is concerned. It's nothing like talking about the one corrupt. It's theft, pure. Stealing of public money.
Mutongoria wa Uthuthuria George Kinoti augite mundu wothe ukuruhanite na kandarathi ya maigirire ya matharaita ma mbiraru iria ni ya muigano wa ciringi bilioni 39 ni gukinyirwo ni guoko kwa watho ihinda-ini ria thiku 2.
There are several. I can assure you that by tomorrow, the day after tomorrow, we are going to hear another company which fell victim to these fraudsters. We are going to name them already. We have recovered, and we are only going to go to the victims and interview them.
Kinoti augite ati wabici yake ni unganitie wiira makiria uria urahithuria mitaratara ya nenda iria ciahuthirirwo ngukumio-ini ino, akiuga ni mahotete kuhithukia mbeca imwe kuma kuri uria wari minister wa mathako Rashid Echesa hamwe na maabitha angi atatu maikirio ngono wa kana kiumia githiru magikuruhanio na kandarathi ya mathara ya matharaita ma mbiraru. Uthuthuria uria urathii na mbere ni ukuruhanitie kambuni ngurani, wabici nene cia thirikari ari hamwe na wabici ya munini wa President William Ruto.
I can say it's an international organized crime. Parties in Kenya and parties in other countries outside there. No, we are talking about countries like Poland, we have US, and maybe in the course of more investigations, we are going to discover more. It's a web, and this is not something which has not been, which has been happening to just, to only one, victim.
Jumatatu ya kiumia giki igoti-ini ria Milimani, Echesa ni arekereirio na mbere ya ciringi milioni 1 hamwe na maabitha angi atatu aria maikirio ngono nao thutha wa gukana thitango. Handu-ini ha Inoro TV, retwa riakwa ni Windross Wangui.